Hi, I'm Colleen, the Director of Education for the Verde Salon Group. Today I'm going to be discussing with you how to deal with oily hair and scalp. The first question to ask yourself is, are you washing your hair too much? If you're washing your hair every day or sometimes even every other day, you may find your shampoo is starting to wash away and strip the natural oils from your hair. Maybe try washing your hair less or making sure you're using a very gentle shampoo and conditioner. Aveda has a few great products for this particular issue. One being the Sham Powder Dry Shampoo. It's very simple to use. Tilt it upside down. It fills the cap with a little bit of the powder. Open it up. And you're just going to spritz a little bit into the root of your hair. If you're using it for volume, I find it's best to just massage it in. Otherwise, if you're trying to get rid of some of the natural oil, just take a brush and comb it through. You can use it either on like second day or third day hair, or you can put it into your hair right after you wash and style to help keep those oils from forming. Another great line is the Pramasana line, which has two different products. There's a scalp cleanser and also a protective scalp concentrate that you would leave in your hair as a leave-in treatment. This line helps to regulate the sebaceous glands to make sure you're not producing too much or too little oils. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and check out the products below.